Hello, students. On Saturday, we will be hosting a coding workshop here in the school library. Uh, Students in grade 5 to 8 are invited to come out and learn how coding works and how easy it can be for you to learn this skill. For example, we will be teaching how to do a simple animation such as this one, which is very simple, and it might seem like it's really hard to code, but it really isn't. In addition to that, we will also be teaching you how to create your own games, so you can challenge your buddies and start. You don't have to go out there and buy $60 video games when you can create your own. And who knows, maybe one day you will be creating these more expensive, these larger games. For example, we'll be teaching you how to make a simple game such as this one, which is basically going through a maze. It is very simple to do once you figure out how easy it actually is. For example, this one, you basically just take the little guy, little cat, and you try to get him to the end. You try to get him home. Um, it's very simple. Like, all the effects are very simple to do. For example, I just lost, but maybe you guys can create something different. This is what we created, and this is what we'll be teaching you, but this is by no means the only thing you can create. This is just an introduction to everything that you could possibly make in Scratch. So we hope to see you on Saturday, and you can invite your parents. They can learn how to do it too. It is very simple. I know sometimes older people are afraid of this stuff, but they shouldn't be, and neither should you. So we hope to see you on Saturday. Thanks.